Have you ever placed a document in Adobe InDesign and you notice that after 2 or 3 pages, it truncates like this and shows this red sign? You are sure not alone. Welcome back to Canvas and Pixels by Next Layers. This is a quick tip. Welcome back. You will notice that if I click on this red and insert a new page and hold down my shift to auto flow and I click down, the same thing still happens. The pages will still be blank. How do you resolve this problem? First of all, make sure that you have defined your own paragraph style and character style if you don't have any. In my own case, I have paragraph style and character style that are already defined. Alright, so to resolve this problem, you press Command F if you are on Mac or Control F if you are on Windows. Alright, I'll clear all the grep style and then I'll start a find and replace. Alright, I'll do find and replace. Alright, all the local formatting, and I'll change it to my own formatting. Alright, I'll change it to bold. Alright, I'll change all the bold. Even though it's not visible, InDesign will still look for them. I'll repeat the same step for italics, apply local formatting here and change it to my own formatting. The idea behind this is that eventually when all the text shows, you don't lose any styling that has been done in Microsoft Word. Then I'll repeat the same step for the third one, bold and italics. Right, then I will change it to my own formatting. All right, that's for bold and italics. Then I'm going to do this and everything will come out. Select the formatting style that comes from Microsoft Word, which is normal in this case, and then I'll change it to my own paragraph style, which is body text. That's what I call it, and I'll say change all. See, when I do that, everything is beginning to come out. Look, if I just click OK, I remove everything, and then I come here. All right, you could see that it's showing that we still have more text. Every time you see this red, it means we still have more text. I'll click on it, insert another page, and then hold down my shift and then click. Once I click, you notice everything is showing, which is the one thing that you are looking for. I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so that when I send the next short tip, you will be updated. Bye for now.